Hello guys, today topic is how to use screenshot. Take a screenshot or record your screen on your Android device. You can take a picture, screenshot or record a video of your phone screen. After you capture your screen, you can view, edit and share the image or video. Important, some of these steps work only on Android 11 and up. Learn how to check your Android version. Take a screenshot. Number one, open the screen that you want to capture. Number two, depending on your phone, press the power and volume down button at the same time. If that does not work, press and hold the power button for a few seconds, then tap screenshots. If of those work, go to your phone support site for help. Number three, at the bottom left, you will find a preview of your screenshot. Once some phone at the top of the screen, you will find screenshot capture. Take a scrolling screenshot. Important, these steps work of devices running Android 12 and up on most screen that allow you to scroll. Number one, open the screen that you want to capture. Number two, press the power and volume down button at the same time. Number three, at the button tap capture more. Number four, to select the content you want to capture, use the crop guidelines. Find, share, and edit your screenshot. Tip: if you don't have the Photos app, you're likely running an older Android version. Open your phone's gallery app and tap Album View Screenshot folder. Number one, open the Photos app. Number two, tap Library Screenshot. To share a screenshot, tap Share. To edit a screenshot, tap Edit. Record your phone screen. Number one, swipe down from the top of your screen. Number two, tap screen record. You might need the swipe right to find it. If it's not there, tap edit and drag screen record to your quick settings. Number three, choose when what you want to record and tap start the recording beings after the countdown. You can choose whether to record audio and sound touching on the screen before you start. Number four, to stop recording, swipe down from the top of screen and tap the screen recorder notification. Find screen recordings. Number one, open the Photos app. Number two, tap Library Movies. Related resources. Edit photos with the Photos app. Find things in Photos with the Photo app. Help switch to a new Android device. Get around the Android. Add, a, add or remove an account on Android. Take a screenshot or record your screen on your Android device. Set up digital car key on your Android device. Get help during an emergency with your Android phone. Cast music and video from your phone to a device. Copy apps or data from an iPhone to a new Android device. Transfer line data from iPhone to Android. Get to know your Android phone. Learn how to use your Android device and get the most out of Google. Get step by step guides and instructional videos on how to set up your phone, customize your setting and use app. Take a scrolling screenshot. Important, these steps work on devices running Android 12 and up on most screens that allow you to scroll. Number one, open the screen that you want to capture.